Yo, good morning. How are things? We are on evaluation now.
Outside, so I'm not picking.
You're on the dark side. Just accept it and admit it, Pari.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna be on the both side. My AN and BP average is 307 now. That was 295, but I added some. I'm looking for the 355 or break even. I'm not touching this before it hits the 355 because I left so much on the table yesterday. Try to trade the D nut, but it doesn't move, so that took.
Krispy Kreme.
Yeah. Seems that it's meme time.
It's meme season.
Yeah. KOSS was moving too, but oh, it died fast.
As soon as you said that, it moved up. Say it again. I'm in KOSS
Right
on the
now,
long
we're
side
losing.
in my
We're
live account.
down $21.
Yeah, terrible entry though.
But I
I
only
was
took
looking
one
at it,
trade.
but the volume was so slow that I couldn't trade on the TTP.
Nothing's really moving.
Yeah, I moved to my long
So
side to
I
my
went back to sleep after
live
I
accounts
took one
because I've been
trade.
spending so much time trying to pass the TTP
And
evaluation. But I probably should have
figured
stayed
I'd
at
wake up
TTP.
and try again.
Yeah, I have two
But it
TTP
looks like
accounts, and
nothing's moving
usually I get
still.
green on the wrong one, and then I
So
get red, vice versa.
Mm-hmm.
LGHL.
Come on, Enib. There you go.
AMOD. AMOD.
730 is producing some heat here.
INBS.
INBS has some volume.
Hey, good morning, Eddie.
good morning.
Oh, you sound cheerful. Have you had a marvelous day so far?
Yeah, I slept.
Oh,
That's good.
yeah, good. There's there's just nothing like it, is there?
Yeah, yeah. Sleep is the best.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good day, Parker.
Hey, good morning, Parker.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Funny when you wake up and I have done a lot of things already. So
Yeah, yeah,
What'd
yeah.
you stream last night?
I'm on a full roll now.
Good stuff.
Now
Good
that I'm
stuff.
PCR.
waking up at 2 a.m., I've
Well,
been going to
okay.
bed at 7.
I'm gonna spill the beans before anybody else gets in this chat here, and I'm gonna let you guys in. And I want you guys to take some notes, because I feel like this is very important, especially for you, Val, because you have a funded account now.
Okay.
So remember, I told you that I was on a waiting scale, right? I had to wait the 14 days to get a withdrawal because I was close to scaling my account, right?
Yeah, yeah, I
Rem-
remember. Yeah. So you didn't
Up,
want to go ahead and scale
I know, bro.
because if you did, you would have to wait another 14 days.
right, right. So that's, and that's something that we, had issues with before, with as far as, it being scaled over. Now you got to wait another 14 days, blah, 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 right? So, um, this has already been said and done. So yesterday, I get my withdrawal button because that was the 14th day, and I placed my withdrawal. The money for the amount was already taken out of the hub and out of the TTT TTP platform, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So I get a message. Oh, so then after that, uh, I told you guys yesterday I took that trade off of HTOO, and after the process, I scaled it, right? So now I'm in my phase 4. Tell me why I get an email, and I've been up. I've been up since 2 o'clock this morning my time, an hour before the market opens. And
Oh,
tell me why I get an email saying that I was denied for payout because I scaled my account. And because I scaled my account, I have to wait the additional 14 days
Oh,
to get my payout.
no, no, no. So, um, your withdraw button appeared. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I think I know what's going on here. So, this, if I'm correct, this is something I've heard about recently. So, let me just check I'm understanding you correctly here. So, your withdraw button appeared. You'd got to your 14 days.
Mm-hmm.
You you opted to make that withdraw,
Mm-hmm.
and as far as you knew, that was going through no problems, and then you took a trade.
Right.
Yeah, okay. So, um, this is
How did your stream
send
go?
me a message, Parker, with your account number and your email. This is a customer service currently recommending that people wait. It's not clear, if I'm honest. After choosing to withdraw, waiting until they trade again. I'm not sure if it's until they get the money or whatever. But clearly, what has happened here is you've scaled before they've processed it. So
Right.
I can certainly look. I can certainly message them unless you've done it already.
I, I, I've been up since 2 a.m. I've already done.
Okay. Yeah,
I
now it makes sense. The 2 a.m. thing. Yeah, I get
yeah,
it.
I'm literally on maybe like 3 hours of sleep because I was just like I was making sure that I got to the email, because where I'm at, in the Chicago area, they message literally, um my time, they message around that 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, when right when the market opens, like right when pre-market opens, they'll message like that 30 minutes in between or right at the open. So I was up. I was like, all right, cool, I'm waiting. And as soon as I got it, I looked at it, I was like, you son of a beep, 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 beep. Um, So yeah, but here's the thing though. This is the first time that this has happened. Remember, I told you before that when I scaled my account, everything went over. Now I had my withdraw button on my very first the BP1. I had my withdraw button there, and I didn't take a withdrawal. I scaled it up, and everything transferred over. So then I thought since I scaled it up, I would be able to take a withdrawal. And it was like, no, you have to wait an additional 14 days. And I was like, that's stupid. And I didn't say nothing. So I was like, all right, cool. I waited the 14 days. And I remember talking to you about it. I think Eddie, somebody else was in the chat, but I was just like, okay, you have to wait the additional 14 days because the account
PRO.
is brand new. Okay, great. So then to go ahead and bypass that is I'll go ahead before I get to the very end and scale my account, I'll take that withdrawal and whatever else is in the account, it'll be transferred over and that will be my buffer. I did that twice on the second scale and my third scale. Why all of a sudden it's a problem now? And I did it the exact same way on the exact same day.
Yeah,
It doesn't make any sense. Um so with that, this is the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is because Val, you're funded. You guys are getting closer and closer to being funded. Um, Regardless where you guys are at in your trading. What I'm saying is when you guys are getting funded and you guys go for a withdrawal, if you guys get close to your target, make a withdrawal, but do not take another trade on your TTP account until they approve it, because this is a situation that's happened is I got scaled and I was in the process and they denied me of it. Yeah, it's frustrating, but it's like what can you really do over an email?
AMOD.
well,
You know. So what they did was is I'm waiting for them now or for him um to respond back to my message. So he put the amount back into my platform, but I
Oh
don't see it
shit.
reflecting on the hub. So I'm waiting for him to have that reflected on the hub, and then I'm confirming the full amount that is mine, which is my
How are you liking the
70%,
new DLC now that you
before
played
I
it?
take
What,
a trade
twice now?
on this new scaled account. Um,
yeah, but Parker, are you saying you're accepting that you can't have your withdrawal even though you press the button before scaling? Because
I
I don't think you should. I think you press the button and then you traded,
Nice,
and yeah,
nice.
okay, in all hindsight, you should have waited, and that shouldn't really be a thing. It should be you've pressed the button and that's it.
right.
Um, I think we should follow up on this to get that payout, and you not have to wait the 14 days just because you've scaled. If indeed you did press the button to withdraw before you scaled, which I'm certain that you did because you
Yeah, but right,
been
which
simple. Yeah,
right, because there's no way that they would have confirmation of a payout without me pressing the button, and I didn't request a manual payout. So they have that confirmation. I have my emails and all. So there's no way that the withdraw button wasn't there. You had to wait 14 days to make a withdrawal, and then once you do, it automatically cancels for another withdrawal for 14 days. So that's why I don't understand is this is the old account, right? Going into the new account. So so I'm just like, okay, I've never had an issue with that before. What is going on now? And I've been talking to the same dude, so I don't know if this dude is new. Because I even looked on the thing and I was just like, dude, I don't even see you up there, like up on like the main page. I'm like, yeah, I don't even know. So and I don't have contact with nobody else, and they won't. Yeah. So I don't know.
ATYR.
I don't know with that, but I know for a fact that I'm not taking a trade until this is confirmed. It's nuts,
So what have they said to you so far, Parker?
huh?
What have they said so far? Has this whoever it was, has he replied with anything, or is it just we're
Yeah,
opening?
he replied in this email. He replied in this email. Let me go down. Go to the previous. Okay, so first thing he said is the payout request for the account, blah blah blah, has been declined because the account has been scaled up to this account, blah blah blah. In in accordance to the program terms, you will be able to submit a new payout request 14 days after the scaling date. If you have any questions or further clarifications, please don't hesitate to reach out. I messaged back and I told him, I said, so I've never had this issue taking out a payment before scaling my account. I've always taken a payout and all the other accounts the same way, no issue at all. Also, I waited 14 days already for a payout. That's why I was able to make a withdrawal yesterday. I've done this the same way in the last three accounts. Why do I have to wait another 14 days? Um, and then Oh, and then I was what I say, and I said also I like to mention that the account is disabled because I hit my target, which means that my portion would have transferred to the new account, and then the new 14 days would have been in process. So something is not right, and I'm being declined of a payout. And I just asked, hey, please show me how what I did wrong with the withdrawal button, considering that it was available for withdrawal. Um, he messaged back. He said, "Thank you for your message. We understand your confusion. Here is give me a chance to clarify. When your payout request was submitted, the account and this is what he said. When the payout request was submitted, the account had not yet reached the profit target. However, because positions remain open, an addition profit was generated afterwards, which once again, if there was a generated profit, that would carry over into the new account. But okay, here we go. That remain open. Additional profit was generated afterwards, which caused the account to reach the target and automatically scale while the payout request was still pending. When an account scales, the transitions to the next stage, and per program terms, this action resets the 14-day payout window. This is why the withdrawal request was declined. The payout must now be initiated from the new scale account once the 14-day period has passed. To avoid this in the future, we strongly recommend closing all positions before submitting a payout request, especially when close to the profit target, to prevent this automatic scaling from occurring mid-process. So that was his response. Is due to the fact that the withdrawal was pending and I scaled the account. Um, that what makes the withdrawal basically invalid.
Okay, so
So does that sound like a gray area to you?
I think it's how to put
BS, right?
yeah.
You can say it. You can say it.
Yeah,
I'll say it for you. It's bullshit.
yeah. I think as far as I know, you didn't have any trades still open when you pressed the button, did you?
No, you
No.
can't. That's the thing. You cannot.
Yeah. So as far as I am concerned, um, I think this is a problem with um, this, I know, and this isn't exactly the same issue, but with regards to traders scaling, and then hitting the profit target and scaling, there's sometimes this and taking payouts before the before the scaling target, and then they suddenly hit the scaling target. There's been some problems with the automation of the new. It doesn't apply to you, Parker, but in the new accounts, every time you scale, you get your 3 times daily loss back. But the automation of that is not working properly. So for some traders, the new accounts are opening and they haven't got that 3 times daily loss because they've traded, and so on and so on. So I think it's a problem with the automation, in that you selected rightly to make a withdrawal. You presumed you were all good to then continue. And because you were so close to scaling, you then scaled, and now you've got this 14-day waiting period again. Doesn't sound right to me, based on that you had already pressed the button.
Right. Right.
So
So
how
that
left?
so here's the thing though. Here's the thing. I agree with
So
you
we're in
on
this
that.
trade. Got in
However,
at $1.75. It's at $2
just
now.
let's say for instance,
At
let's say
profit
for
of
instance that
$36.
I wasn't scaling this account. Let's say I was halfway through, right? And I
See
made a
if it
withdrawal.
drops now.
I made a withdrawal. It was submitted as process.
Takes
Why
me
is it
out.
that I'm
It's
able
gonna
to
take me out.
continue trading and get accepted, but
Yep,
if
it
I
took me
scale
out.
the account, I get declined?
Exactly.
That doesn't make sense.
No, exactly.
So we're now
Exactly.
green on the
And
day by
that's,
$3.
I think it should be allowed to go through, and I think they should do it for you manually, because you press the button, you presumed you waited your 14 days, you pressed the button.
Right.
I mean, we've been here with you. You've been paper trading.
It was
for
150
14
shares.
days.
Yeah.
To your 14
Yeah,
days, you press the button,
That's
and then
the
you scaled the account.
that's the
I
magic
personally think
number
that's still good.
for, because there's
How was
commissions that
how
you
was
have
it
to
left?
pay.
Was it left that they were
So
looking
150
into it, or was
shares
it left
get,
that this is
No,
how it
gives
so
goes?
you enough
this
profit
is
to
this is
cover
the response. So
your commissions plus
and I told him,
have profit.
I said when I made a request for withdrawal, there was no open positions after my withdrawal and was completed and in process. It took the total amount of what I requested, including their portion, was taken out
I should
of
have
the
lowered
hub
my
and
stop
the
loss,
TCT platform.
not let it take me out, because
Then
it's still going.
after that was in process, then I continued trading, which then I scaled the account and hit my profit target.
What I should be doing is using a risk
And I said, once
calculator
again, this has never been
and
an issue.
doing
I've done
what
this the same way in the
Jeffrey
last 3
Trades
accounts.
talked about
And I
yesterday.
said also, if I'm being denied a withdrawal, then the amount that is owed to me has not been placed into the new scaled account. I said, so before I can trade this new scaled account, my total of blah 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 should be placed in the scaled account. And then once again, I told him, I was like, yeah, can I have my balance of blah 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 to be transferred to the new scaled account since I have been denied of my payout? If this is possible, then I guess I will accept and wait for another 14 days. However, if this adjustment cannot be made, can I have my payout and going forward knowing to request a payout and not scale the account? And I also stated before, this has not been an issue, but now it seems like it has. And can you, respond back ASAP? Thank you. And then this is what his follow-up response was. He said, "Thank you for your follow-up. The amount, blah blah blah, has been added back to your new scaled account. Please see the screenshot below for the confirmation of the adjustment. Once the 14-day period has passed, you'll be able to request a payout as usual. Listen to this. However, due to the manual adjustment, if you see a discrepancy when withdrawing, please request a payout to be done manually via ticket. Now, remember what I said before during the holiday when I requested my payout that they told me that if I was to do it manually, that they will close down my account and all that, all that stuff. So the money that was transferred over into the scaling account, I was not able to touch that at all. Remember I told you that, Val?
Yep, I remember.
Yeah.
You saying that.
So now confirmation, he says that they can do it manually and it has to be done by via ticket.
Yeah, well, it's up to you if you want to accept it and wait the 14 days. Personally, I wouldn't. I would. I'm happy to follow up on this for you and see if we can get that payout granted because you did indeed request it prior to scaling. You had no open positions. And if I'm understanding you correctly, when you press the withdraw button, the amount that you had requested disappeared from your hub and your platform. So that
Yeah,
to me sounds like it was confirmation to you that it was going ahead.
right.
Yeah.
No, no, that no. If who would you be talking to though? Would you be talking to Michael, like, um, or would you be talking to somebody else?
Well, we have a group where we sort of just message the customer service directly, but Michael is in there, and I think, I mean, it's up to you. I think it's worth following up on this because mm, why wait another 14 days?
No, and that's the thing. I don't want to wait another 14 days. However, going back and forth on email is a total drag. It literally is. And it's just
Yeah,
like I had to get in customer service this morning, like, dude, ping Benjamin and tell him to get back to me because they take forever for emails. I'm just like, I'm not gonna sit here and wait one email every 24 hours. I'm not doing that. You guys need to get on the ball with either getting more people in there and getting these emails out, or you guys need to stick to the job until it's fully done.
yeah. Uh, I,
Because I'm
I
because I'm up.
I totally agree with you on that. The response time. It's up to you. I'm more than happy to see if we can move this forward for you, Parker. But I understand that if we do that, then you're going to feel that you're not going to be able to trade while you're waiting for an outcome. But at least if you do want to do that, you won't have to be bothered, with any of the messages from customer service.
I mean, let me see. What do you need from me then if I send this over to you
All I
in your
need is because you've told me what's happened, so you don't need to type that out. Just would literally need the account number and your email address. Oh, and
gotcha.
what level of scaling you were going into? Was it 4?
Yeah, I'm going in for.
Yeah.
So
Okay, that's what I thought, and that's it. But it's whether or not you want to continue trading. Then
well,
maybe
no, I haven't even got a confirmation from him yet either
Yeah,
for
super
the amount
quick.
that is actually like all together.
yeah.
Um, because no, you're gonna say yes
So quick
before
that I didn't
before
even see
I
which
like
platform they were on,
that's a
Twitch,
big
Kick, or
amount.
YouTube.
Um,
Yeah, I mean, what is the amount if you don't mind sharing? Oh,
all together
yeah, that
that
you
I'm totaled
that you're
11,
looking.
11,000.
Is that the amount that you're requesting to withdraw?
Well, the no, the that's the entire amount that's in the actual in the hub that's mine.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's say for instance, like he puts it back, right? If I was to trade that amount, that 70%, that
Yeah.
11,000 is mine
Mm,
without doing no more 70/30 split.
yeah.
Yeah. So because that came from the other account from the scaling three. So
And and is that the amount? So just so I'm clear, is that the amount that should have gone into scaled 4, or is that the
yes,
amount pre-split. So that's the amount after the split.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep, all together. But here's the thing though, the I requested I requested for my I requested for a withdrawal, and my portion of that withdrawal was $9,050. The
9,000.
other the other amount, which is the $1,990, went into the scale 4 account. So it's in there now, the scale 4. The other portion of that was supposed to be a withdrawal. So that 1,990 was supposed to be my cushion. But considering that he just it's not in the hub, but I do see it on the platform. Open up my platform, it's there. The full $11,048.30 is there.
All right, we're back in.
And the projected balance. But it's not
Let's see.
it's not showing in the actual hub itself.
No.
So I'm waiting on confirmation for him to fix that. So that way I can see it
We're in
and
at
then
215.
confirm with him that okay, if you're gonna make me wait another 14 days, that full amount of $11,048.30 is mine, and I'm getting that automatically with no hassle. And then addition to leaving 500 in the account so that way you can stay open, blah blah
Oh
blah.
no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, and that's what I'm waiting for before I even take a trade on this scale 4 account.
I think at the very least, maybe I should be asking the question: must traders wait until they've received their money before proceeding to scale, if having requested a withdrawal? Because that's what's happened, isn't it? That because they hadn't actually done it.
Right.
Yeah, and I don't think that's a thing, or should. I don't
Well,
think it should
well,
be a thing.
right. It shouldn't be a thing, even though that the answer might be yes. It shouldn't be because of the fact that the amount that I requested for already came out. So that means that they got paid already.
Yeah, yeah. It was processed, and
Right.
I think maybe somebody's missing that in the background. Have a think about it, Parker. I'm more than happy to.
No, I no, I give you I will give you my email and I will give you the account number and you can share that in the group. I hope Michael is there today.
Yeah,
Um
see if you can. Also, yeah, include the amount you requested there, and what your scaling target was, and the dates, of course. It will just save. It will save me. It will save some back and forth in case whoever.
so here, so let me see.
Yeah,
Let's see.
in case whoever looks at it hasn't read the original ticket.
Oh, well the ticket is there. I yeah. I don't understand because yeah, I don't understand that whatsoever. Okay, now so what did you need? You needed what? My email, right?
So your email, your account number. I already know your scaling, the level of the scaling. Maybe if you can remember it, the date that you press the button to withdraw.
Which was yesterday.
Yep. So that was yesterday, the 22nd. Just writing this down. So you did that, the amount disappeared, and then after that, you took the trade to scale it. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the withdrawal was already in process.
Yeah, because the amount disappeared, so you thought you were good to go. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
so
so
message me
so
that.
I sent.
Email, account number.
Now, do
And
you want you want the account number for the phase 3?
yes, please. Yeah.
Okay.
And what else might they ask? We should be good on that. You'll be include the amount you requested.
Um, okay.
And we'll see. We'll see what they come back with.
Uh,
Because if you've got
let me.
this plan that I'm gonna make a withdrawal every 2 weeks or every month or whatever it is that you like to do, and you think you're all good on that, it's just infuriating to
Yeah.
not be able to do that. I
Come
think
on, let's
anyway.
go. Push it up.
Yeah. And then let me. I'm just going to send this to you here. Okay, so then that amount that you see, that's my total, and that's what I was supposed to get back. So that's my full amount. They took out their 30%. So that's my full amount that I was supposed to get back.
Oh gosh, you also got the we've received your request.
Yeah, that
Okay, I didn't realize that. I thought you were just presuming on the request based on that the figures had changed, and it looked like
no, I got this. This is yeah, that's why I'm sending that to you because it doesn't make any sense. It's payout in progress. So if they already took it out, then what does it matter if I scaled the account?
yeah, yeah, I get it. Yeah,
Um, so then what else did you need?
that's it. That's all I need.
Okay.
That's all I need. Yeah. So I'll take it to them and see if maybe there's been an error and that it should have gone through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing wrong with the trades at all. So that was what he said. So
Yeah.
well, I sit back here, more patience without blowing a brain vessel.
Yes. Well, you're
Yeah,
developing
it
your
took me
trading
out.
patience for sure now, aren't you?
Oh man, I'm telling you that it's ridiculous.
Okay, let me compose this message, and I'll be back in a while.
And they better not take their 2% for the processing fee. They better not.
Oh,
So
dear.
okay, no, thank you. I appreciate it. And then just yeah, let me know what they say. Hopefully Michael sees that because yeah, that's just ridiculous.
I
Yeah,
adjusted my stop
I
loss to
definitely
break
will.
even.
I will.
Okay, thank you.
And
You're
it
welcome.
came back down and touched that. So it sold my shares and got me out. So I got out break even basically.
All right, guys. Now y'all got to hear my chatter. Um, Eddie, what's going on? You made any trades this morning?
Yeah, I took a trade early in pre-market with a pony. It didn't work out. So I was down.
Pony's back up.
It had a little spike.
Okay.
And then nothing was really moving, so I went back to bed. And then now I've been trading AMOD, and I am
Yeah.
back green on the day.
Beautiful.
So
Beautiful.
yeah.
GPRO is another one. Let's still say is this a day 2 runner? ANEB is back on the is back on the list.
Yeah, I'm long on
That,
that
that
now.
are you long in that?
Yeah,
Gotcha. It looks choppy, but
yeah, I get about 5 cents from my target, so and then flush back to 320.
gotcha.
So, but I'm holding my thesis now. I don't, if I'm counting that as edge, so I'm not taking anything out before that.
Gotcha.
All right, we're back in at
Let me
225.
take off HOTT right now. It's down 8%. Yeah, trade today. Yeah, you guys see PLRZ now. This one is up 22% on a gap up this morning, following its bounce play yesterday. You guys have this on radar?
No, I have only ANAB, A mod, and okay, that's all. I have had the donut thing, but not
Gotcha.
anymore.
Yeah, well, it's up near the previous high. High yesterday is at 187. Let me see. Did it break? Did it break this morning? Oh yeah, it did break this morning. It went to 216 and then failed. So what's that? What's that 216?
Come on, push.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that 216 is that gap that we were talking about yesterday that it needed to fill and kind of hold up there in order for this to kind of work. So it did go. It did fill the gap, but it literally just failed. So um I would like to see a retest of that and see if we can hold an intraday. So I definitely want to keep this on the list. Faraday, looks like it's choppy to me. It's up 2% off of the bounce. Not bad. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and take it off just because it's not my type of stock to short.
Come on, price. Let's get up there.
LMFA is down 12%. And the volume looks like it's trash. I'll keep that up there just in case.
Yeah, ANAB's volume is going down also. So
Gotcha. CDLX is on a third green day. Previous 5-day low is 164. So 164, and we're at 305 now.
cheap pro is a meme stocks then, if you look at that.
Oh, so it's yeah, so it's almost at 100% then. Okay. This might be a good red day if we can get more volume in on it today. Now, PAPL, which is Pineapple, it's a banking service. We are the high on this is 1114. Definitely ran into that resistance.
Probably going to get
See
stopped
right
out
there.
and be negative.
1117, the high is at 13, 14. 14 of that resistance.
Need the bulls to push it back up.
We did have a retest, so this might just be a dead stock after that retest.
Yeah, it stopped me out. So now we're red on the day, $28.50.
A mod, let me see. Right into that resistance point right here. Got another resistance point at 330. Hey Jess, did you trade this morning in pre-market? Australian class. And then GRPO. Ooh. What a beautiful chart. You guys see GRPO?
GPR.
Oh yeah, GPRO. Yeah, this one is on it. That's a fourth green day. This one be a good one to short.
This is a meme stock.
Oh, is it a meme stock?
Yeah.
GoPro? Okay. Yeah.
I think
Rejection right there at 270. Then that's the gap that that they needed to fill, and that it got rejected hard. So I'm looking for a pullback. Matter of fact, this one might be my I might have to put this one over PAPL. This one's much cleaner than PAPL. If we get a
Got
if we
stopped
get a
out.
retest
So we're now
back to
down
like
$54 on
50,
the day.
60, I'll take it and risk that 270. I'll be right back.
and DNOT is meme stock today also.
Okay, I've sent the message, Parker, so I'll let you know as soon as I hear.
market opens in 8 minutes. Oh,
You okay? Oh, football. You lost? 12-7. What the football you guys playing? What do you mean 3v4? Three. Okay, so you do. Eh? It went on the other side. Mm. Why you doing? Why don't you do it in the weekend, where people can come in? I can't go. I wish I could, but for sports like this, I can't because I'm stuck here. Ibrahim is on leave. Uh, Ryan is having his break. I can't leave. Just
Hey Parker, I'm back. Sorry about that. I have a 3 a.m. call that ran over today because 3 a.m. sucked, so he decided to do intermission and then come back for 6 a.m. And so I'm just wrapping that up. But yes, I did trade. How many? I had like 3 green trades today on TTP4, but one of them was a swing trade, so I'm not going to count that one. And surprisingly, my swing trade on LVLU worked out well. It was wedging up, but I saw no reason for it to go up the way it did, so I shorted it and right and open and went down. And then a couple shorts on WBUY, and then a short on OFAL. And then I also have a short on AMOD. I took some shorts at 214, 211, and I'm probably going to add some more on this next roundup. So yeah, that's it for me so far. What about you?
Yeah. No trades for me. No. Um, Nothing at all. But I'm in a paper trade, probably GPRO. I was just stating that it looks much cleaner than PAPL right now. Um, if you look at GPRO's chart, this is running. This is a 4-day green, and it's gapped up 72%. So we are well above 100% on this. And if you go back to February 8th, 2024, that 270 area, it's filling that gap. where it had a major gap down, and right now it's literally it's failed at 270. So I'm looking for a pop right back like to 250, 255 ish to retest that 270, and I'm gonna see if it goes through. So that's my plan. Opening morning for paper trading on this. Yeah, that's what looks good to me.
Yeah, I wanted to actually short that one too, but I guess my eye caught something else and then I missed the top, but oh well.
Yeah. No, if I was focused more early morning, I probably would have tested that gap situation. Um, because definitely it got to like 266. Yeah, it would have been that, and then like 290. No, matter of fact, from 260, I could have definitely did $3. That's a 40-cent move versus on the downside of almost like $2. Yeah,
Mm.
SMX.
but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Market open.
Yeah, I took a live trade account on my on KOSS when it first popped up, and I had to buy down, buy down, buy down, but it finally recovered, so I'm happy about that.
Hmm.
I remember it being a meme stock from like April of 2024.
Yeah.
So
All right, market opens in 5 minutes. We'll see what
countdown
happens.
to opening. 4 minutes,
Yep. Yep. Yep.
5 seconds.
AMOD right here. Um, I wish it retests 239 and goes further.
LSWD.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I hope it goes to this 330 area so that way it'll be more meat on the bones. Other than that, I don't think I'll be able to take this trade, considering that this is a gap up, gap and crap play.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, because it's at 194, and then look on the daily chart here. You do have like previous resistance at
RFQ.
150. So I
Mm-hmm.
would
Next.
I would assume that that will turn into like a support area, like at least for the day. I don't know if it's gonna continue further. So I would assume that this will turn into like a support area, and then just the volume just kind of dies off. So I'm wishing for it to go into threes
Right.
and then die off later. But yeah, but GPRO needs to spike.
IZON.
Okay. 1 minute left till open.
Yay.
Beautiful. Good luck. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
You know what? Let me see something. Oh, and it's flushing. Jeez. That's tough. Can I do why not let me? What?
And $1.93 short this time.
Oh, that's what's up.
Who was I talking to about KOSS this morning? But KOSS gapped up to 780. My entry was like 611 on my live account.
BDMD.
What?
Yeah,
They
it was a
just now
terrible
did that?
Yeah, it was a terrible entry because So I got that first gap up, and then it went to $7. I couldn't sell in time, and then jackknifed down all the way to 550. So I actually had to. My first entry was 680, so I had to add all the fives.
Yeah.
But I just remember it being a crazy meme stock last April, so it was kind of like
Right.
a gamble.
Gotcha.
My blood
Yeesh.
pressure is up, but I'm done for today. On my live account probably until 3 p.m. because that was way more stressful than it needed to be.
Yeah.
But I wasn't even thinking. I'm like, dang, I should have also took it long on my TTP account. That would have been $1.50 a share move. I'm having a hard time juggling doing both. It's like I'm either trading my live account or I'm trading TTP, but maybe eventually I'll get the hang of it and be able to do both.
Yeah, that's why said I can't get a second account until I get a laptop because there's no way that I'm going back and forth with just one computer log in, logging out. So it just won't happen.
Right.
PAPL just halted down, so that's that. I'll let that be. And
ROLR
waiting for GPRO to
cost
snap back into reality here.
Golly, cost is going crazy. I sold way too early. Up at 794.
It's looks like it's about to touch 8 right now. 596. Came back down.
SKBL.
You might go to A. There it is. Yeah.
Yeah, that's 8.
It is meme. It is definitely meme week, meme month. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but stocks are definitely memeing right now. It's pretty intense.
Mm.
But I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon because I think I went through 2 meme seasons, and I had no idea really how to approach it. But now I do. There's really no logic. It's play it and
Yeah, I mean
get your
that's what a
money and
meme
get
stock
out.
is. Yeah, that's what a meme stock is. It's just like ride the wave, you know.
Yep.
Jump on the bandwagon, and when you see everyone getting out, then that's when you get out. You know, that's just that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I got it down to a science now. I'm not missing anything else moving forward. And I'm going to try to be a little bit more patient because, yeah, this would have played out quite well, actually.
Shot.
I still have a hard time trusting retail traders.
shouldn't trust nothing when it comes to the market.
Right?
A2YR.
Guilty until proven innocent. That's my motto.
LWLG.
Hey.
COOZ.
Wow, GPRO is just
Is it
keeps
ripping
having.
up?
No, it's just
KCR.
tanking. We're not tanking, but it's just like watching right now. It's not even having a
MKZR.
pullback.
Cone.
I hope that this kind of consolidation area can kind of like give it a jump.
UBXG. GSIW. GSIWALN. Poly. HTCO. ELWS. LSTA. NR. Term.
I don't like that this is
DOOZ.
going up. I needed to go down.
I took some of KOSS short on TTP. I see a lot of wicks here.
Let me see.
NEF.
We can go down to
CSPC.
Oh,
765. I will be happy with that.
that doesn't look good to me for a short right there.
I was
The
supposed to
bar-
close it on that dip because I don't get in for super long, but
Oh, okay, scalping it. Okay, gotcha,
yeah, I don't need to be long. I mean, I met my 30 cents.
gotcha. Okay,
I'm about to get out.
TRPL.
796.
Like it's rejecting it VWAP.
PLRZ. COOZ. LFWD.
No, reject.
where is this up on the
FFAI.
Of course, you're going to
TWNT.
do the opposite of what I said.
If I was to do
TTNP.
5-day lows at 501, so we're almost up 100% on this.
KPR. Hard.
There's a lot of weakness here on KOSS.
Yeah, that's if you look at the daily chart, there's a top here at 860.
Jeez, I shouldn't have got out. I'm so mad. I knew I was. Gosh, I knew
MKPR.
that was a good short to hold. Dang it.
Yeah, that's probably on me. Just just because I opened my mouth and said something. Um, I don't like shorting. I don't like shorting tops right there at VWAP just because it bounces and see how it kind of spiked and tried to go. But yeah, I don't like shorting that. But
Yeah, that's my main strategy. That's how I get some big moves.
yeah,
I have to
you're
be very precise, but
yeah
I'm really good at getting a feel for weakness at the top. There's like double wicks. Sheesh.
yeah no, and that's very precise. So that one might be on me. I apologize. um, next time I'm just gonna shut up.
KZR. TSPC.
And
Halted now.
we're halted.
Yeah.
So
That
yep,
makes sense, Parker. Next time I'm just gonna shut up.
Need this to
yeah,
flush.
yeah,
No, it's all good.
Yeah, we're all just giving our thoughts. It's up to each person whether they take the trade or not.
Yeah.
yeah,
No, I took the trade. I got out too early. I sold 50 cents sooner than I should have because I was waiting for it to break on the 1 minute chart. Sheesh. I just knew it was
Holly.
there. It's okay.
yeah.
I
So
probably didn't want to be stuck in that hole anyways, but
we are.
let's see if I can share my screen here.
What is PPRO doing? Oh, we're finally getting a bounce. Jeez.
So I shorted up here because of the wicks.
TV.
And I kind of like the rules of three, where it's just like three big moves up and then kind of like three down. So that's what I saw there, and that's why I shorted it. But then the lows right here, these candlesticks, I drew a line. These three lows. When I took it short, I wanted it to break that for it to go even further because I knew it would once it broke that kind of support here, and it did. So, but I didn't wait for it to break this. I actually sold it like somewhere up here just for it to come up and then test it and break it. But I'm just gonna stick to my convictions next time and trade my plan. But yeah, That's kind of how I like to short at the top and then get this big move down. I can get a pretty big move down if I'm precise. I don't like to hold. I'm not a long-term holder, but if I can get, I think this was about $1 a share in a minute, in 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
$1.20.
Oh
That's
no,
my
the scanner
style.
went
I
down.
want to get
Nice.
large moves in a short amount of time,
Oh,
but
there
you
it
have to
is.
be very precise, and it's very risky, obviously. But hey,
SDFT.
it's game of play.
Yeah. Nice. Very, very, very nice.
I also don't go in heavy in these rates. I scale. So if I'm wrong, I just scale. I always have capital to scale. So it's almost impossible to be wrong on these shorts, as you can tell. Like, I think I'm 98% right now. Just got to be patient for the setup that you like.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yes, indeed. Okay. PAPL is back on. Now, if we can fill this gap, I would like to take an entry right here at 835 or 830. And
I think this is the one that we can't get on TT.
oh no.
No.
Oh man. Well, then I'm going to paper trade it on Weeble. How about that? Yep. Nope. It's not showing up. Okay.
Are you in anything, Eddie?
Yeah, I'm currently in short on a mod.
Oh, okay. How's it going?
It's not doing what I want it to do, but
Oh,
not bad.
good. Good. Are you on Trading View?
No, I'm in my eval.
Oh, you got an eval.
Yep.
94, 218. Yeah.
When did you get that, Eddie? Was it today or yesterday?
Yeah, this morning.
Oh, this morning. Oh, great.
Very nice.
Yep. Happy first day.
Yeah. Yeah, this is eval.
If it makes you feel any better, I have a short on AMOD.
I have unlimited
at,
time on the eval
192.
because I went with the flex plan.
MKZR.
At 192?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
OPI.
Where are you looking to take profits at?
I have 172. It's hit. 172 is some of my shares, and then let me see where the rest are safely sold
CSPC.
at. Wow.
Yeah,
don't have the
I
other
need to be
ones
positive
registered, so let
1500.
me put those in too. I think the other ones were. Let me check here.
COOZ.
And I can't lose more than 500 per day or 1,000 total. So
Sounds crazy, but I'd like to sell the last bit at 131. I'm gonna put the order in for that. But I mean, this is yeah, that's a long stretch, but anything's possible.
COOZ.
I'm gonna take this.
AMVR. MGRT.
It's touched 172.
Hope so. I really
but
want to
it has
get
to be on
funded.
the
It'd be dope.
RGC.
ask, I think. So it's not gonna fill until it actually breaks below there.
I might have went in too early on that, but
ULN.
Come on, drop, baby, drop.
RMSG.
I might have went too early on that.
On which one?
ISC. COOZ.
DPRO.
MEIP. Ollie.
All right, I gotta go. Actually, I just noticed that I need to start heading out. Let me.
AEI. I.
PLI is running for anybody who needs something. It has a crap ton of volume.
What is it?
PALI.
RGC.
I don't even have that on here. What's the percentage on it?
It's up 55% in like 2 minutes.
Oh, dang. Okay. I don't
Well,
know.
not really 2
GWH.
minutes. It's up 55% on the day, but I guess from 8:30 to in about 20 minutes, it's been
Gotcha.
running.
Gotcha.
But it made a big move in the past, probably like 3 minutes. Made about a 25% move. And it's dipping. I should have freaking shorted that. Just not paying
IMNN.
attention.
Farm.
There it goes. Let's see if that's the bottom or not. We'll take that. 160 should be in play, right? 160. Oh, absolutely. Should be. at the bottom. Looks like that's the bottom for that.
Like a short on PLRZ.
Yeah.
236 is my short.
Nice.
Thank you.
I'm gonna keep that one on I'm gonna keep that one on radar for a first red day, probably Thursday or Friday. Today it's filled that gap, and this is a recent IPO, so I don't know if we're gonna make it up there to like the threes or the low fours, but definitely keep this on radar for a short. First red though.
What's up, Jeffrey? How we doing?
LSB.
Right now, I'm short in AMOD, AMOD. But I've traded D-Nut and Pony. Both D-Nut and Pony were losing trades. But we're in the eval account now.
SWVL.
Risking 18 with the trailing stop.
MHUA.
Come on, go, 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 go.
Well, haven't found anything to trade yet.
I think this doesn't go.
So I usually wake up in time for
I think
4 a.m.
we're
open
kinda
on
slow right
pre-market.
now.
Mm.
And then if nothing's moving, then
I'm
I'll
trading
end stream
GPRO. I'm paper trading
and
this
go
one.
back to sleep.
But I think I'm
And
I think I'm
then
stuck here at the
I
bottom though. Even though that it's
will go
consolidating
until
right here
11
at this VWAP, yeah, I think this
11
might
a.m. typically.
be a bottom, but I'm still gonna play out my strategy though. I have my exit here at 221.
You exit? Oh, you stop?
Yeah, my stop here at 221.
I was going to say you're a bit late if you were planning on exiting.
Oh yeah, no, no, no. I'm trying to see these small wicks here are giving out like weakness, and the volume is kind of dying. So I'm wondering. Watching watching this, should I just bring my wrist down to there if it pops, or keep it loose on this end here?
Mm.
I think I'll just keep it and see what happens.
What's your target? 180?
Yeah, well, I have it down here at 160, but I think if I get my fill here at one, but I have this at 191, 190, I'm gonna bring it up to like 170.
Yeah.
170, 165 and trail it.
Yeah. What about ANEB? What's that doing?
I don't like that it's curling up. I'll modify my stop loss to break even at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna let it take me out.
Hmm.
Yeah, it took me out.
Is anyone looking at IOVA?
OVA.
Oh, hang on. It's got a massive flow.
AMOD.
Well, 271
Alpha
million.
Mike Oscar Delta.
I'll leave that then.
Yeah, see, my PLR is a short.
HLP.
You out of that? Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah. Had it at 236.
Let me go to the chat right quick.
Come on, and face die. Need 20 cents more on that.
I love your commentary, Pare. Come on, die.
Added 3 times to that already, so
Dub, it popped up. Yeah, I think I'm at the bottom right here. That one.
oh, there you go.
Yeah.
On GRPO, Parker.
Yeah, I caught the bottom of this move here. So
Small caps.
There's a liquidity gap here at 221 on the 1 minute. That
Okay, I'm out then face. Nice win. 4R on that.
oh, well done.
That was on the sunny side.
Oh, on the sunny
Just
side.
to remember that. Just to remind you about that.
Just wasn't ready to die yet.
Oh, maybe we should all be over on the sunny side today.
Yeah, I think it's more to trade over there now. Oh, that was spot on. The pen face out. Now it's turning around.
I went short. I took some longs on it. I had a long right here from what is that, $1.75 to $1.90. Break even, a loss. Break even, a loss. And break even. Let's see if it rejects at VWAP again. It rejected several times at VWAP previously. Yeah, this is the 25K account. Holy cow. What a spike up.
Okay, yeah, that looks strong. Okay, all right.
What do you mean by pairs? I'm not familiar with that term. Oh, other stocks. Just look at whatever is moving in small cap land. I don't really pay attention to any large caps.
Oh, I like that.
I've been watching the meme stocks. G Pro, Donut. But I don't want to play a meme stock because I don't trust them. not sure how I want to play this. Ask the round table. Well, there's only two choices: play it or don't play it. It's too bullish looking right now to go short. And I'm primarily long bias. I just need a pullback. Pull back and a candle to make a new high. And then I can get in.
Hey, Pare, your favourite back on the scanner, Wolf.
Oh, thank you for reminding.
I asked the round table, it's going to be trade your
Yeah.
trade.
My trading limit is full, so
Sounds good. You can watch it with me. It had a lot of momentum, and then the momentum just kind of died off, but it's still the one that's getting the most attention. Wolf is popping up. All right, there's my pullback.
Hey, modest. Just back up. So then I'm gonna bring this here. Fill this up too. Yeah, I'm gonna fill that up too.
Now we need a candle to make a new high. Yeah. Definitely a waiting game.
I never knew that there was that many Ozzy Osbourne fans. They've been playing him all yesterday. Oh,
Ozzy was huge in
yeah.
his time.
Yeah, no, I know, but I mean, just like the generation today, like I didn't know like how many people like, you know, was a fan. I literally had to let up my windows. Bikers were out, and all you heard was Ozzy, and screaming. I was like, oh, okay. Let up my windows. So went to the car wash, and that's all you heard. I was like, oh, okay.
Oh, Wolf had a nice breakout.
Okay. This I'm gonna trust this right here. I'm gonna add. Yeah, I'm gonna trust that. Give me 204.
This DNOT thing is not going to die.
Because it's right at the bottom of this, right there. So if it goes, it goes. And it means it got enough volume. It looks like it's about to go. Wrong decision, Parker.
Come on, DNOT, die.
I think it's consolidating.
Who would buy this trash?
It's probably gonna curl.
Anybody that thinks it's hot. Anybody.
Yeah,
I don't think
they
You
should
can make
buy
10
it.
I don't think that it's gonna
450.
be.
Let it go down
I
there.
don't think that's gonna flush
they
or
can buy it.
anything. Not now that it's above VWAP and above the 9 EMA. But I could be entirely wrong. So if this curls up, that'll be my pullback candle, and then first candle to make a new high. Wow, it's doing exactly the opposite.
Oh, someone still buys that. Yeah. I hope they run out of money.
Speaking Greek and expecting us to understand. Well, you'll learn, Woodguy. You'll learn. It's bearish, huh?
And now it can flush because it didn't went so much up. Like the 478 to break, then I can put this to break even. And let it go to the target.
Let's look at Wolf. It's getting all the attention right now. Nice push up. Just juicy. From $1.51 to $1.90. Go back to A mod.
Oh, I'm gonna take a loss on this one. Come on.
All right, we'll try and short this.
Yeah, there it goes.
What are you trading?
GPRO.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I that was the bottom. I traded the exact bottom of this.
Risk $34.50 with a trailing loss. Trailing stop loss.
Okay, so now my second plan is if it gets up to this 260, I'm gonna go ahead and risk 3. That's my second plan.
Oh wow.
Watch,
Nice
it's gonna
hit
curl
on
on me like my original thesis.
the donut thing. That took me out.
Hmm.
That happened in 1 second. Yeah.
I was
Get
using
outta
Trading
here.
View, and then I tried out TradesViz, didn't like TradesViz. And then I had a spreadsheet that I was tracking things in, but
That better not be the top.
I found the problem was I would
Oh man,
do my
that's
Okay, I got out.
exports and import it into
From
the
the-
software, but then I would never go back and look at it. Like I would look at my
Nasty.
stats, but I wouldn't review my trades. I
490
wouldn't
to 510
journal, none of that.
in
So
1
then I
second.
just quit doing it. Yeah, I'm still new to coding too, but yeah, I code.
So I think this will die now. After it scooped all the stop losses. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. See you then.
Sounds good.
Yeah. It's always nice to trade.
Always.
Have a good day.
See you
Hope you get.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Hope you pocket get your money.
Is it hard to
I
learn?
hope so too.
Yeah, I bet.
Yes and no.
It's hard working money. So
It's hard to wrap your head around some of the
Well,
concepts,
wait for this 14 days.
but once you get the basics down,
See how it goes.
it starts to come together.
I still haven't got an email back, so I'm
Oh,
not trading the account regardless. until I get
It's like
confirmation. That's the
any
amount.
new
So
skill. There's a learning
for
curve to it,
I'm gonna go ahead and get the
but
original mounts.
there's
Yeah.
there's
Yeah, that's a good
tons and
idea because
tons of
it'd only cost me
resources online,
to then have to
and
some different amounts.
one of the things that you
Yeah, then I
learn
can only hear
is
them say, "Oh, well, since you already traded in the account, you don't have,
that
you
you
know,
want
a good
to
amount,
use
so you
Google.
definitely can't do it." Yeah,
Use
no.
Google a
Yeah,
lot.
yeah.
So
Yeah. I haven't had a reply yet. By the way.
So
okay.
yeah,
I,
a
you
little
know
bit of
what?
a
I just thought
drop.
about it. I should have gave you I should have screenshotted the email what he said as far as why the rejection was.
So you Google a lot.
Let's send that over to
Even
you.
once you know how to code, you Google a lot.
Because I'm
But
sure
now
there's
with
gonna be a
like
question like,
AI,
oh well, did he do
you
this or did
can
he do that? Like, no,
you
no,
can do
and
what's
no.
called vibe coding, where
Sure too.
you use AI to write the code and
Like let's go ahead and
you
log with
monitor
this
it and
until they start
make sure
asking
that what it's
questions.
giving you is correct. And that seems to be taking over.
Okay, I go. Bye.
All right, have a good one.
Yep.
Have a good day, Pare. Thanks for coming.
See ya.
Same.
See you tomorrow. How's your day going, Eddie?
I am 3676 in the hole, but I am short in a mod again. Hoping this time it works out for me. Last time it was break even. So
I'm going to test
Oh,
this.
yeah, I was looking at that as well.
but
I haven't trained.
my day's going good.
Good.
Yeah.
That took me out literally at the high there.
What was your entry for A mod, Eddie?
$2.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be my
Green
last
so
trade on
far.
this.
Right, come on, Parker. Pick us a 10,000 for me and Eddie.
Well, I messed up on this one. This right here is
Yeah. I hope that
um
the bear shoulder flow
I picked
stays.
the exact bottom to start trading and
I want to see it flush.
should have known better, but here's the thing that this stock here is up from, you know, previous 5 days at 75 cents. So you're talking what, 200% on this, I think.
And I have this as 125 million float.
For GPRO or AMOD?
GPRO. Oh, sorry, I presumed you were talking about GPRO.
Yeah, I'm talking about GPRO. Yeah.
Yeah.
75 times 2.
GP.
150. Nope. Times 3. 225. Yeah. So yeah, this is more than 100% up on the day. So, and this is kind of looking like that $2 here spike. That 227 is the top there. So I'm gonna replay this.
Oh, you're in it
I'll
too?
let 5 minutes
Nice.
go.
You know,
Huh?
be busy. Are you busy?
What price is the fair value gap at?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's talking to a student.
I think she's talking to her students.
But yeah, no, this is gonna be my last play on this, and I'm gonna risk that open high a day at there at 237. If it goes, it goes.
$1.66.
But if it starts to flush, I'm gonna put my ads at $2.91, and then I'm
Sorry, guys. I'm gonna head out. Happy trading to everybody.
Hey, happy trading to you. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Have a good day, Jess. But I've not got any trades. This is not fair.
And I'm gonna do it at 190.
What about you, Sleepless? How's your day going?
191, and then 165. That'll be my right there. I'll be right back.
Win or lose, lessons in every trade. Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, I'm back. See how. Yeah. Okay, that's looking good.
How would you interpret this news, Parker? I'll just share my screen.
Okay. News on what?
ANEB. I'm just wondering why it's going sideways. So I'm trying to sort of see what's going on with it.
Let's go.
Okay. Clinical stage pharmaceutical company develops. Oof.
True.
Jeez.
Protect that green.
A reverse stock split for one for 2,500. Jeez.
Yeah,
Is it
I'm not,
dying off?
it's just kind of going sideways. So
Let me look at the chart. What is it? AREB?
no,
ANEB?
yeah, ANEB.
Yeah. Um, no, so this is a reverse stock split that they're gonna be announcing. Um, yeah,
Yes,
so
sometimes
yeah,
you see a reaction up or down, but I'm just surprised to see it popped up and then doing nothing really. Doesn't look tradable.
Yeah, it's probably not. This is when I see this. This is more like an anticipation
Mm.
of what's going to happen next with the stock. Yeah, and normally this is something that we just kind of stick away from, or stay away from.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. And
Yeah,
why 1 to 2,500? I mean,
uh, uh,
um,
you know what a reverse stock split, right, is, right?
yeah, but
So
why
yeah, so you're
when
talking you're talking about this stock going from like $3, and they're gonna split it 2,500. So you're talking about a stock that is from three to it goes all the way up to like 1,000.
yeah, I just don't get why that's
That
it. I don't because it's normally like 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 100 even for the cheaper stocks.
right, right. So I mean, for what they're doing, um, there has to be some belief that this whatever they're doing with this pharmaceutical, it's going to be something that's going to be like well worth it down the road. Um, let me see. Let me read the second part. As proposed, the company common shares.
What does this part mean? Approve.
Approves plan to terminate registration of its common stock. So let me
Yeah,
see. As proposed, company common shareholders will receive. Oh, you just moved it.
sorry,
Will
sorry.
receive cash. They will receive cash in the amount of $3.50 uh, per pre-split share in the fraction. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That's why it's right there. Because where is it at right now? 317, 318. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, there's your answer right there. So read that second part, just that first line right there. So the common stock, the stockholders, they're receiving right now a cash profit of $3.50 per share of what they are holding right now.
Let it
Um,
die. I
before
agree.
the stock split happens.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's why it's not moving. It's just staying in this area right here. That's what's going on with that. Um, Post split common stock as a result of the reverse stock split. As a result, holders of fewer than the minimum number of shares immediately prior to the effect time of the reverse stock split, which depends on the ratio chosen by the board, would be between 25. Oof, that is tough. The minimum number uh, will not remain shareholders after the reverse stock split. Yeah, yeah, because whoever's going long is going to be in jeopardy.
And so does this part here mean that they're not going to?
Is taking these steps as it believes that the costs and expenses of being a reporting company has become too burdensome in light company strategy to develop. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused by the whole thing really. So yeah, no,
Has become too burdensome. I mean, are they burning that much cash?
I don't know.
Um, let's go to what does dilution tracker say? Let's see.
If I look on the dilution here, it says overall offering risk is low. But mind you,
Um,
it says 4.8 months of cash left.
Yeah, so they say the company has 21 months of cash left based on a quarterly burn of 1.5 million. Um,
I see. Ask Edgar says 4.8 months of cash left.
right. So something is, I don't know, something is not right. It's not lining
Yeah,
up.
a quarter.
But yeah,
Uh,
it says here
Seven.
it needs cash. So Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with that, but I can definitely tell you that's the reason why that this is consolidating in that 316,
Why
three
won't you
fifty
die?
area. They're paying their shareholders that amount.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's like the algorithm. They want this to be held before they do the reverse stock split. Um, yeah,
Yeah.
that's what's going on with that.
Yeah, it's definitely moving
Ah,
like shit.
well, thank you, Parker. Yeah, I was expecting, you know, something more exciting to happen when you see the stock split news. So, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, this could be, I don't know, I wouldn't say tomorrow or something because they got to make sure that the transactions are all completed. But within the next few months, you might just see this like skyrocket. It may not even be in the small cap land.
What's Wolf doing? G Pro.
Yeah. Interesting.
Reverse stock split, and then it'll just trickle down from 1,000, and yeah, that'd be that.
Hmm.
But isn't this a recent IPO? Look at this, 2021. Maybe that's they've been doing
That
horrible
was
since
right.
2021. Yeah, this is confusing. I don't know. I say just stay away from it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Well, as soon as I looked at the chart, I thought, oh, okay, that is a no. It's literally
Hmm.
just been from 317 to 318.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you zoom right in, you realize, oh, there's percent in them. That's no good.
Yeah. No, no good at all. That's mm-mm.
No, no. Oh, oh well.
All right. I'm just rooting for GPRO. Let's go. Just fail, and I could be done. And
Let's
I'm
go.
going to sleep because I know for a fact I'm not going to get no email back.
No,
And
well, I haven't had a reply yet, but hopefully, because it's Wednesday, so we've got support in. It's Friday when you need to sort of accept that, yeah, you're probably not going to hear back now.
yeah.
Yeah.
So no, I mean, if push comes to shove, I hope they fix the hub. Um, that's like the worst case scenario, and then I have to wait. But I mean, if they answer to you before me, that'd be great. Um, I can
Come on.
just sit and have that be done, but you know,
Yeah, well, let's hope so.
Hope it does. My stop loss is past break even now, so
Oh, let's pull up CTOR.
it's getting closer to that 166. My target's gonna be
That's
140.
old news, that from the 17th. Okay, never mind then. He's still in A mod, Eddie?
Yep.
Yeah, good. Well, you've got your 20 cents now.
Yeah. My target's 140.
140. Have a look. What's at 140 specifically?
There's imbalance.
Yeah. So you're looking at that range from 140, the bottom of the imbalance.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you've got the daily 100 just underneath there. It's a bit of a slow grind today, though.
Yeah. Have you taken any trades? Are you still looking?
No, and I probably won't now. Just couldn't find anything that looked decent.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking at CTOR now, but even though it's gone up a fair amount, it's just, it's not doing very much, really.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm not sure. I don't want to get chopped up in anything.
CTOR.
I considered Wolf, but then I realised the float's too big. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Not that it necessarily matters, but got to have a cut-off.
Right.
I traded IREN the other day because I'm so used to my old scanner. My old scanner, I had it filter, so it didn't show me anything with a float that big. But I'm still have that mindset that if I see it on the scanner, I'm pulling it up. And, well, gosh, it took forever. It was like the world's longest trade. I mean, it was a green trade. It was a long green trade. I think it took like 5 hours.
Oh, wow.
Let's have a look. Yeah, just let me see if I can find the screenshot. It wasn't yesterday. Just looking the day before. I remember what time it is. Yeah, so from 10:15, I'll show it you on the screen share. Oh, I don't know if I am showing it. Change stream. Screen. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I mean, it worked out very nicely, but God, look how long it.
Yeah.
Oh no, it wasn't. It wasn't as. Still, it was a good, well over 2 hours trade.
Wow.
And it just, I mean, I know it looks great, you know, in hindsight, but I was like, oh, come on, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just like, can you not just go? And I only had tiny size on it, of course, fortunately. But yeah, what I was saying about, I took that because I saw it on the scanner and I hadn't realised it. See float.
Mm.
I think, what was it? IREN. Yeah, 213 million flow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so they I don't know, they just don't move the same, do they? So that was a lucky trade, I think, because it was outside of my criteria. 4.5 billion market cap.
Yeah, that's way
Yeah.
way outside.
Bad morning. Oh,
Yeah, 11 a.m.
better after the open.
coming
Wow.
right up.
Is that really how your morning and after?
Yeah. Have you noticed that 11 a.m. brings significant action? Is that why it's significant, or is there some other reason? 'Cause I typically don't trade past 11.
Beautiful. Love that rejection. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah. Let's just try this here. All right. Yeah. 2, 5, 6.
Ah, gotcha. check in on Wolf. Yeah.
Add, let's see, 45. I like this little downtrend here. I'm just trying this out. Do 168.
I'll be right back, chat.
Come on. We could take out that block. It's only 137,000 shares. What is going on?
All right, I'm back. Let's go. You don't have to do that, man. But I appreciate the support. What was your entry price? Nice.
I just need one more flush and I'm out. Because I'm tired.
Hey Eddie, I was just checking in on for you, and it's still in the same.
Yeah,
You're breaking up.
it's not doing much.
I know it's just chopping up and down in this range. Hopefully, its next move is going to be one downwards.
I'm hoping so.
Yeah. Hmm. Which account size did you go?
25K flex.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Well, it's a good thing you went with the flex with how slow things are.
Right?
And we need that time, don't we?
Yeah, I don't like having a time constraint.
No, we used to really press my buttons that we used to have a 45-day time constraint.
Got a block right here at 180 for 125 where it's cutting it real slow. I just need you to be gone.
Is that on AMOD?
No, that's on GPRO.
Ah.
When is it that you're seeing these order blocks, Parker?
You don't see on the level two, a 180 right there.
Let me see.
It's at 126 now.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, you
Huh,
see that block? Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, they need to go ahead and just remove that. Somebody needs to start eating it up, but now look at it. Everybody wants to feed off of it.
Yeah. Do you normally trade stocks with this type of float, Parker?
No,
No.
no, this is a higher range, but considering that this is a 3 day run, or actually a 4 day run. This is a fourth red day or fourth green day. Sorry, and pre-market. Remember I said earlier if it tried to fill that gap at 270 and it automatically failed. This is a gap up that I would definitely take into consideration to trade. That's why I was number one over PAPL. Um, just because the chart is so clean, and I
Mm.
know that it's going to fail at some time and point. Now my first trade was the bottom
Oh no, it's curling.
of the Ranger, so I took a loss there. But
Die.
as you can see now, it's failing. So I'm looking at least 170 to like 165 to take profit. And I have this risk really tight. I have it at 201. If it comes back,
It's gonna take me out of
then
my
so be
stop
it.
loss.
I don't even
Yeah,
care what it does afterwards.
you do really well with your paper trading. Trade it. It's a real account.
You said what?
I said you do well with your paper trading. In that you trade it like a real account.
Yeah, yeah, no,
Yeah.
I definitely do. I definitely do. The only difference is that I take more size in my paper trade just
Yeah.
because looking towards the future, this is what I would be doing anyways. Like a stock that's under $3. Yeah, I'm taking 10,000 shares. You absolutely right.
It's that number.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You absolutely right. I'm going to, and then any stock that's like $3 and above, I'm taking a 5,000 share size.
Yeah. Have you still got that 3,000 share cap?
Um, you talking about for TTP?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna assume so because she hasn't even got back to me. It's been more than 2 weeks. So, like I said, I think that's just BS
yeah,
for them to kind of be like, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and if you take more than 3,000 shares, we're not gonna be able to pay you.
yeah.
So yeah, she hasn't got back to me on that. So I'm like, where's the consistency across the board with TTP?
Mm, yeah, yeah. Yeah, and are you managing with the 3,000?
Yeah, I'm doing fine with the 3K.
Hopefully we're slapping
Shares.
dicks on
If you
once.
didn't have the cap, would you be taking more?
Um. Oh yeah. Well, considering my risk now
Yeah, I'm out.
is almost at a
I'm out.
$2,000 a
I
day.
hit my stop loss, but I'm
Yeah,
still
I would be
positive
taking a
on
little
that
bit more
trade.
size. I'd be taking a little bit more size, and then I would be taking um calculated risk. Like for this instance, this one here would have been perfect for a $10,000 or 10,000 share per trade.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Nice.
So
Yeah, I got $9 and
Well, maybe
75
if they do
cents
come back
positive
to you,
on it.
Parker, you can say, "Oh, whilst we're chatting, can I ask about the share size cap? Has it been reviewed yet, as stated in the email?"
I'm not gonna do that until I pass this one. Um, I want to make sure that I'm at the 2,000 um capacity per day,
Yeah.
and then 6,000 per the max, account. So
I can't imagine being happy with 2,000 loss per day. Can you, Eddie? Make my eyes just the losing
yeah.
2,000 dollars a day. I
Yeah.
would honestly, I would cry if I lost $2,000 on a trade. Uh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one of the times where you gotta literally build your account to like 10K and then go ahead and take that risk. And that's what I plan on doing. Um, I want to build,
Oh, you're
well,
still
I'll
in?
do 8K
Nice.
too. Like if I build it up to 8K, taking $2,000 loss and putting it back down to 6K, I wouldn't mind that. Then I would just have to size down again and then just kind of rebuild it. Um, but yeah, because you got to think your risk. If your risk is the max 2K, what's your reward? What are you looking at for your reward? Your reward better be like between 5 to 10K on that trade.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
yeah,
I can't.
so
I'm a long kind of size. Well, kind of risk, not necessarily size, feeling comfortable to me.
yeah. But I
Yeah,
mean, for now, if it was, a $2,000 loss per day, um, I would split that in half, or I split that in fours. So um, it'd be five, 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 five. So my first trade would be a $500 loss. All right, cool. Um, if I lose that, okay, go ahead, find my strategy again, retrade, depending on where it's at, how many shares, 500. Um, but if it's going in my favor, I'm going to add into it, and then my risk comes down while my take profit goes up. And that's how I'll be doing that. It looks like here 179 is going to be the
Well,
bottom.
I
So
think that's going to be it for me. There's
I'm gonna keep
nothing
this.
else
I'm
I
gonna
want
just
to
see what's
trade.
gonna happen. It might retrace back and kill 179. This will be my last trade regardless. I'm tired.
well, you will be all that emailing.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been up an hour before the market opened this morning.
All right, chat.
I don't know. I
I'm
just
going to
had
call
that
it here.
feeling that it was gonna be BS,
Woodgar, thanks for hanging out.
and
Jeffrey,
sure
thanks
enough.
for hanging out. Appreciate you. Good luck on the trade. Hope it hits your TP. We
Eddie,
will
are you
see you
still in
guys
AMO?
later. No, I got stopped out. Hit my stop loss, but I was still green on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, good,
So,
good.
so I'm
Did you
only
get
$33 negative on the day.
good? Did you get your 10 cents?
Maybe,
Sorry, what did you say?
maybe I'm not sure. Let me go look.
How many shares did you take?
150.
20,000 shares.
Was it 20,000, Eddie?
I wish. It was. I did get 10 cents on it.
Oh, good, good.
Oh no, I didn't. I take that back.
Oh, good. Mm.
I got in at 2, and my stop loss was at $1.93. It was a trailing stop loss.
Uh,
So
oh gosh, all that time waiting for it to do something as well.
yeah,
I hate that 10% rule. That is something that presses my buttons. If I have a green trade that doesn't count, That,
Yeah, it's all
uh,
good.
Oh, you're so laid back, Eddie. Not all good, it's BS.
It is what it is. Like, I can't change it, and I don't think they're gonna change it. So,
No, true.
but, I am
Yeah,
negative
Malcolm, in my little
$33 on the day.
Sure. So I can lose 100 a day twice, and then I'm
Oh.
done.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, so it's quite a way off your 2,000 a day.
Which isn't bad. I'm not upset with it. So,
Yeah.
but I am calling it here.
I've
So,
always, man,
catch you guys later.
before TTP,
Have a great day.
always traded.
See you
always
next
traded,
time.
Like having like a 2,